And they're going to do it again. And just looking next to Sunderland, here we are again. Now, second forward, Kenny in a down. He's going down nice and low here, and he's going to come up over to the top, and he will rejoin Blade 1, 2, and then obviously the finish. When he was in the Air Force, he was a Harrier pilot. He also served for around 3 years, and last year he was a Sinto leader. He served in
Hope we get blue sky before the end of the day, like we get to see it crash. That will be good. Would, because then there'll be no more airshow for the rest of the day. Can't find it out.
Until he's got there, he'll try to turn, but the box formation comes around nice and close to the box there. Now the next one, as far as we're aware, it does not happen anywhere else in the world. It's formation flight, 4 aircraft at 0 miles an hour. It's our finishing maneuver pulling up into the vertical. Blades 1, 2, 3, and 4 will soar towards each other with a blade hammerhead. Now this next one is very, very important. Testament to our heritage, and also testament to the great view that fought the great battle of all those years ago. It's beautiful, it speaks itself, it's a Spitfire roll. Now the Blade don't have Andy Hopping, co-founder of the Blade team. He started an array of aircraft in the Air Force, including Harriers and jet bombers. He was also the renowned of my also